Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to remove items from a photo in Photoshop. So say for example I have this thing here, this cup thing on a beach, and I want to remove it. So what I need to do is duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. That's done. And then you need to go to this lasso tool, and you have to slowly go around the shape. And press Shift Backspace and go to Content Away and make sure color adaptation is selected and press OK. And that just analyzes and removes the pixels, so I can do the same for the shadow. Shift Backspace, Content Away, and then press OK. So that kind of looks edited, so I'm just gonna fix that. I'm gonna go to Patch tool, select it, and I can do this. That just looks like nothing's happened. Same for that. You can't really see the editing, but I'll just leave it at that. And that's basically how to remove something. So yeah, let me just get another image and I'll show you guys another one.